Welcome to Margaret's world. Are you tired of nagging your husband? Does he sit and watch football 6 days a week, 4 hours a day? Are you tired of broken potato chips on your living room floor? Are you tired of that to-do list never getting done? Are you tired of nagging? Well, I have decided to start a new women's how-to fix-it video. Anyway, today's topic is how to remove an air conditioner. Ooh, that's a little close-up, don't you think? Back off. Today's topic is how to remove an air conditioner. It's autumn now. You no longer need the AC billowing through your hair as you lie on your pillow. So, all you need is a handy-dandy screwdriver. After that, we just let gravity do it all.